Today I make gluten-free and vegetarian fried rice. Fried rice actually started as a clever way to deal with leftovers. In Chinese homes, rice was best when it was fresh and steaming hot. But once it cooled down, it lost its charm. Instead of wasting it, people tossed the cold rice into a hot wok with a little oil, some veggies, eggs, and bits of meat. Just like that, yesterday's rice turned into a tasty, satisfying new meal. First, scramble 4 eggs and set them aside. Then sauté half of a large sweet onion until it's soft and golden, almost caramelized. Add chopped garlic and ginger and sauté for a minute or two until fragrant. Be careful not to let the garlic burn. Add diced carrots, green peas, and corn niblets to the mixture and sauté until the carrots, peas, and corn are just tender. Al dente with a little bite left in them. Add smoked paprika and black pepper, then stir well to coat everything evenly in those rich, warm flavors. For a little kick, add red chili pepper, just enough to bring some gentle heat without overpowering the flavor. Now it's time for the leftover rice, the real star of the show. Gently break it apart and toss it in, mixing until every grain is coated with all those delicious flavors. For next step, season the mixture with soy sauce and mix well. To enhance the flavor and balance the saltiness of soy sauce, stir in a tablespoon of honey. Now we add the scrambled eggs. This is the step that ties everything together and takes the flavor to the next level. A tablespoon of sesame oil is a must. It adds incredible depth and brings that rich, restaurant-quality flavor to your dish. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh green onion for a burst of color and freshness. Transfer the egg-fried rice to a serving dish, then finish with a generous sprinkle of sliced green onion and toasted sesame seeds for that perfect final touch. If you love this recipe, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.